The ExactFlat Export Profile Editor allows you to add, copy, remove, and edit existing export profiles. In the Export Profiles section, you can choose to add a new template, copy an existing template to make changes to, or remove templates entirely. The Restore button returns the profile to its previously used settings. This option restores the last saved configuration, not the default settings. In the Export Profile Attributes section, the name defines the name of the export profile. The Export Unit system defines the units the profile will be set to when exported. When Group Pieces is checked, the individual exported pattern pieces will be grouped. Exporting as a DXF will group them as a CAD block. PDF exporting does not support grouping. 3DM will group the pieces as Rhino groups. Combine Piece Curves combines cut and seam curves into one single polyline per loop. This is only available when the geometry type is set to polyline. Split Piece Curves will try to split a curve at a change in the angle between two consecutive boundary edges. This feature is useful for preserving sharp corners on your pattern pieces. Tip: for full control on which corners get preserved as sharp corners, you can disable Split Piece Curves, then use the split points to manually define sharp corners. The Combine Notches with Cut Line option, if true, all notches except the eye and check mark will be embedded as part of the cut polyline instead of being exported as separate entities on their respective notch layer. This is only available when the geometry type is set to polyline. The geometry types that can be exported are splines, which are smooth interpolated curves. Arcs are portions of a circle. Polylines are combinations of individual line segments, and lines are straight single lines. In the table, you will see the details of the layers that will be exported. In the leftmost column are the named features from ExactFlat. The name column shows the layer name associated with each ExactFlat feature. Click on a name to change the layer name when exported. The color defines the color of that layer. Click on the color box to set a different color for that layer. Color source defines if the object inherits its color from the layer or the object. You can also choose whether to export a certain layer or not by checking or unchecking the export box. Once you are done editing an export profile, click Close. You will see a pop-up window stating that one or more export profiles has been modified. If you would like to save the changes, click Yes. If you didn't mean to make any changes, click No.